Guys, let's imagine that you're trying to use your air conditioner, and if you have your kids sleeping nearby or if they're trying to do their homework, maybe your own work pattern is something like me, which involves a lot of voiceovers and video editing. Now, whenever we use the air conditioner remote, we get a lot of beeping noise, something like this. You hear that? That's really annoying and it should not be there in your voiceover recordings. So guys, in this particular video, we are going to use the example of my Samsung WindFree AC, and what you have to do is you have to press this options button. So let's see, and whenever you press it, we can see that a lot of icons will start flashing up on your screen like this, and you can use these arrow keys to bring the flashing to the desired effect over here. So let's use this again, and here you can see it is on this option which we need, which is the beep. You can do it like this and select other options. So what we are going to do is we are going to let this beep option flash, and then we are going to use the set button, and now we can see that this beep option, or I think they should have called it better, it should have been known as the mute option, and that option is now enabled. Let's try adjusting the air conditioner once more. You hear that? That thing is now absolutely silent, and now you can record away in peace. Guys, this is the Samsung WindFree 1.5 ton, and along with this particular AC, I'll be providing a bunch of Best Buy affiliate links in the description or in the first comment of this video for your convenience. And guys, if you want to learn some unique tips and tricks with related to air conditioner remotes, then a bunch of icons should be flashing up on your screen right now. You can click on any one of them and learn something new today. So that's it for this neat little video, guys. Take care and have a nice day.